Having Samhall is a great way to incorporate the social sustainability. As we said, we work with people with different types of disabilities, and we help them get closer to the job market.
Hello and welcome to Beneli Talks. Today I've invited Samhall with Emmie and Ebba. Tell me about yourself.
Yes, my name is Emmie and I work as a production and personnel manager at Samhall, and I've been here at Beneli around 3 years now.
And my name is Ebba and I have the same role here as Emmie. I've been here about 2 years now.
Could you explain your general reason to be?
Samhall is a state-owned company, and the aim is that we provide people with different types of disabilities a meaningful work, as well as they are able to improve their professional skills and learn different types of tasks.
What is the kind of support you're giving to Beneli?
We started here 5 years ago and we assembly of patches, and our mission here is to deliver high quality, high productivity and low disposal of the materials.
Great. And you're based in the premises here. Why is that?
There are many advantages for us to be here, for you as a customer, but as well as for employees. From a customer perspective, we are able to have a much easier communication, because we can have daily dialogues where we can discuss the production, upcoming tasks, and also manage any problems that may occur. And for the personnel, they need a lot of support, and us being here really helps them to be able to manage the tasks here.
Indeed, yeah. Are there any other benefits?
Yeah, of course. Beneli is a great workplace for Samhall. Here the employees are able to be seated or standing and do a work with low physical effort. We work a lot with cleaning companies and warehouses, and that can be much more physically demanding.
So truly from a physical point of view, we have the production and assembly here in Helsingborg factory, so made in Sweden, but there is more to it than just physically, right?
Yeah, it's also the Swedish mentality. We are able to provide a product with high quality, we can deliver on time and live up to our promises.
So we talked a bit about sustainability, right? And this is a great way, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. Having Samhall is a great way to incorporate the social sustainability. As we said, we work with people with different types of disabilities, and we help them get closer to the job market. And you have really welcomed everyone with open arms and treated everyone with great respect. And we really feel like we're one big happy family.
Great. One big family. So happy to have you here.
Thank you.
Thank you.